Hey guys, so I have a really bad case of the hiccups. So I'm hoping that vlogging this will make them go away because it'll be a consistent talking because I haven't had consistent hiccups literally in years. But I have the hiccups and it's lasted for 3 or 4 minutes. It's not like a hiccup, it's like a silent kind of ooh, that happens every 10 or 12 seconds. I'm going to do the whole vlog with the hiccups and hope that something works. And I'm not going to think about the hiccups because that's exactly what they want. Anyway, we had a civic concert tonight and it was a really great concert. Ansel and I played the Beethoven, and it went really well. I feel like it's easy for trumpet players on Beethoven parts to, really play it safe and be careful, kind of. And I feel like we really went for it, and I think that's a big key with performing in general. Is you know. Don't worry about it. And how am I still trying to vlog while I have the hiccups? It's kind of funny, right? Anyway, we really went for it, and it was a really spectacular concert, and the Symphony Center downtown was just absolutely packed. I think it looked very sold out. Every seat looked to be taken, and that hall sits a lot of people. And so, yeah, it was a great concert, and I love our donors so much, the Paul's Foundation, because they do so many nice things for us, and they took us out afterwards for this really nice meal, and it was, well, first we got appetizers, which was onion rings and fried chicken and French fries and stuff. And then we had a salad, nice salad. And then we had pizza, and it was really awesome. Oh my gosh. How do I still have the hic? This has been it's going on the 8th minute or something. Maybe I should drink water. It's so funny. All the hiccup remedies that you see out there, someone's supposed to scare you, stand on your head, drink water, hold your breath. I want to talk to a doctor about this. What is a real hiccup remedy? Anyway, comment below if you know any that are flawless. Anyway, and we just got home, and it was a really late night because of that. I just got home and it was 12:15, But tomorrow's my dress rehearsal, and that should be good. We're in the hall and everything, and yeah, and it's one more thing to check off my list is that civic concert. And now it's cool also because I have a lesson with Chris Martin Friday, and then I'm playing for Barbara Butler Monday, and then I'm playing for Bob Sullivan, who I study with here normally, Tuesday. So it's kind of like a bam, 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 lots of lessons in preparation for my recital in a week and a half. And, I feel good, and it'll be really nice to have these 10 days to just focus on recital stuff, because up until now, it's really been a lot about ensembles and playing well in civic and stuff like that. So, I'm sure the dress rehearsal won't be perfect or maybe even close, but I'll have these 10 days to really, I'll play these lessons. How do I still have hiccups? I'll play these lessons, and I'll learn a lot, and then it'll be perfect timing. I'll have 5 days to myself to really get serious and really have a structured practice routine. So anyway, I'm kind of just rambling now, and I still have the hiccups, and it's killing me. Ugh. I need to shave really bad, don't I? And I need a haircut really bad. Those are all things that I'm going to do very soon, I promise. And I need to go to the grocery store. It's just been... I've just been really, really busy lately, and so it'll be nice that I don't have Civic tomorrow, because I've had Civic every day the past, 10 days. And I'll have Civic Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And Sunday is our big brass concert for Civic. That'll be so nice to be done with that. And then Saturday we have a master class with Michael Tilson Thomas, which should be really fun. Okay, I'll see you guys later. I hope I get rid of these hiccups or I won't be able to go to sleep. Alright. Alright, you know what? I'm not done vlogging. Okay, I looked it up on WikiHow, how to cure hiccups. And I'm gonna vlog myself trying to get rid of these hiccups, because they're annoying, and it's lasted for 10 minutes now. Okay, imagine breathing in a figure 8, it says. As the out breath reaches its end, slow the breath and twist it around so that it becomes in breath. So breathe in and out in a continuous motion. Okay, here we go. Okay, I just hiccuped. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Okay, that didn't work. Try to stretch out your diaphragm. Slowly breathe in until you feel like you can't inhale anymore. Trying to get a feel for extending the breath towards your abdomen. Okay, you are trying to stretch your diaphragm to interrupt the hiccups. Hold your breath for 30 seconds. Exhale slowly until your lungs are empty. Okay. I think that worked. I think it worked. Okay, I haven't had a hiccup in 30 seconds or something. I think it worked. Alright, you guys, let's count down 30 more seconds. And if I don't get another hiccup, which I think they're gone. I think it worked. Okay. I think this method was the best. I haven't hiccuped. I think they're cured. So, okay, here's the verdict. Here's the winning method for me personally, I guess. Is I breathed in as much as I possibly could. And then I held my breath for 30 seconds. And then exhaled slowly. I don't have the hiccups anymore. Success! Okay. I'll see you guys later for real this time. Bye.